Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to download Instagram Lite on your mobile device. Downloading Instagram Lite has many advantages, like it covers less storage, so let's get right into it. First, open Google Play Store on your mobile device. Then tap on the search button on the bottom right corner of your screen. Then go ahead and tap on the search bar at the top of your screen. Then type in Messenger Lite. You should see an app launched by the official Instagram. Go ahead and tap on install. Then after the installation is complete, go ahead and tap on open. Here, create a new Instagram Lite account. And now you guys know how to download and use Instagram Lite on your mobile device. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next time.